Yeah, what's up? This is Mixmaster Gaz.
This is your aka Voice of the Streets.
So we are locked down on Data GHTV, man. Keep it locked. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Hello guys, welcome back to your daily entertainment bars right here on Data GHTV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Stay tuned.
Hello. You know we could be late, but I'm sorry.
Very good thank you to government, to my management, to Pinamang to the bloggers for coming and supporting. I really appreciate it a lot. Thank you guys for coming in your numbers, to always support the brand Maame Serwaa, and I will always be grateful for that. So I would like to say a very big thank you to Pinamang Cosmetics for choosing me as the brand ambassador, and I will make sure to support this project and this product for a successful ending and a beginning too. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, you can have to continue with the brothers.
Whatever this contract is saying is about, it's she promoting us positively, and we also influencing her and then the world with good cosmetic products at all times. So her witness is going to be signing after our management signs. Okay, thank you. Brand ambassadors here in Ghana, because with our cosmetic brand we have been able to help so many men and women around the world, from New York, Canada, like all around the world. But here in Ghana we have myself, Zion Felix, Ikapim Polo, and a few celebrities who are influencing us. So because of her credibility and her brand, she has also been using our products, right? We're using it for a while, and I will say a year if you want to sign with us as our brand ambassador. So today we are unveiling her as our ambassador here in Ghana for Pinamang Cosmetic International. This is her management representative and herself, and this is our manager at Pinamang Cosmetics. So we are going to sign a contract and then we pray. And Auntie Pacho, Maame Serwaa signing the cards now, so.
To the bloggers for coming and supporting. I really appreciate it a lot. Thank you guys for coming in your numbers, to always support the brand Maame Serwaa, and I will always be grateful for that. So I would like to say a very big thank you to Pinamang Cosmetics for choosing me as a brand ambassador, and I will make sure to support this project and this product for a successful ending and a beginning too. Thank you.
So yeah, you have to continue with the progress.
Maame, how excited are you about this?
Okay. I'm so excited because when I first used the product, I thought, no, I'm just using the product just for my skin and all that. But I never knew, they will call me for ambassadorial role. So I'm very initiative.
Serwaa Bakupe. Anyway, congratulations.
Thank you.
Martin, right, as one of our brand ambassadors here in Ghana, because with our cosmetic brand, we have been able to, help so many men and women around the world, from New York, Canada, like all around the world. But here in Ghana, we have myself, Felix, Polo, and a few celebrities who are influencing us. So because of her credibility and her brand, she has also been using our products, right? We're using it for a while, and I will say a year, and she wants to sign with us as our brand ambassador. So today we are unveiling her as our ambassador here in Ghana for Pinamang Cosmetic International. This is her management representative and herself, and this is our manager at Pinamang Cosmetics. So we are going to sign a contract and then we pray. We can take pictures of this part only. Then the signature in those parts are going to be confidential. It has been read by Maame Serwaa and her management. It has been understood. They have got the review before they got back to us. So this is already verified by her management. The contract, the understanding of it has been understood by our lawyers and the lawyers of Maame Serwaa's management. So let me go on to. So in case you want to know any information, you can go to our Pinamang Cosmetic page on Instagram. And whatever this contract.
Very big thank you to government, to my management, to Pinamang Cosmetics, to the bloggers for coming and supporting. I really appreciate it a lot. Thank you guys for coming in your numbers, to always support the brand Maame Serwaa, and I will always be grateful for that. So I would like to say a very big thank you to Pinamang Cosmetics for choosing me as the brand ambassador, and I will make sure to support this project and this product for a successful ending and a beginning too. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it. That's it for now. So yeah, you can have to introduce with the brothers. So can we go on to the signing now? So in case you want to know any information, you can go to our Pinamang Cosmetic page on Instagram, Facebook. It's Pinamang Cosmetics. And whatever this contract is saying is about, it's she promoting us positively, and we also influencing her and then the world with good cosmetic products at all times. So her witness is going to be signing after our management signs. So this is the disclaimer of the signs. We sign this, yes. Not because of the sign, yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you can put, so this is Maame Serwaa's copy. Can we have one of the brown shirts, please? Come on, brown shirt. Martin, right, as one of our brand ambassadors here in Ghana, because with our cosmetic brand, we have been able to, help so many men and women around the world, from New York, Canada, like all around the world. But here in Ghana, we have